Hey guys, welcome back to the blog. We're going to look at some more stuff here. I've actually got three trades to show you today. Three real life trades where we're going to make some more profit. Um, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but these are actually trades that I've recorded earlier. I knew that I wanted to start a blog, and I recorded these are actually October trades. So you can go back to the October time frame if you have your own charts and see these actual candles and these actual wave patterns. So here's one. I entered two other trades at the same time as that Great British Pound Australian dollar. We're going to go over those, and we're also going to look at how we're doing right now with the current trade of the Great British Pound Australian dollar. Now I've been out for a little bit, so we'll see how this looks. And as we can see, we've got the trade moving against us pretty substantially here. And so we've got a downtrend and it's retracing up. And my stop loss right there is going to protect me. Now that thing I just circled is a hammer, and that's telling me that this is actually the hammers come at the end of a downtrend. That's some candle magic. On the 1 hour, we can see that this is moving with some great force behind it. So I wouldn't be surprised if I got taken out here while I'm talking to you. I could save an extra, actually almost 50 pips if I go ahead and close out now. But well, what the heck? Let's just see if it gets taken out. That's why we're doing this anyway. A lot of times we just let our stop losses take us out. Now, if we look at this, what about support resistance zones? Okay, well, it waves back and forth. At the top of that previous retracement, that's a huge support zone. Okay, but as you can see, I entered in a higher risk trade here, this sell trade, and right there, I entered towards the bottom of it. If we do a Fibonacci retracement, this is a Fibonacci retracement. We use this. They either retrace to the 23 or the 38.2% levels. I entered in at the 38.2% level, and my stop loss is at 23.6. Now I identified that support resistance zone beforehand. Isn't that interesting? Okay, they typically retrace to the 38.2% level, so that's all the way losing my whole trade. So this is trade management that we're looking at right now. So I just think it's really interesting that that where I identified that support resistance level at is where the Fibonacci levels are. Now usually, I mean, in the Forex markets at 28.2%, man, it looks like I'm about to get hit. Um, that 28.2% up, there we go. We were just taken out. So I didn't move my stop loss. I made 134% profit on that trade. And yeah, 209 pips. Why didn't you just get out? Well, it's always hindsight, guys. This is how trading is, okay? I mean, that's pretty fun and interesting, but why is it that I'm so calm? Because I had a stop loss protecting me. So that's this thing. I don't know how long it's gonna retrace, but we notice and then we wait. Am I gonna jump in the opposite direction now and go with this? No. It could go right up there to that to the other moving averages. It could go. I don't know where it could go. Okay, it could go anywhere up there and then turn around and go down. We do not get in. I only trade in the direction of the upper trend. Here's a New Zealand Swiss franc. I got in at about the same time. Here, I didn't even move my stop loss yet because I couldn't identify any good trades. I mean, any good support resistance zones. I'm gonna go ahead and close this one out because of that doji right there, and all that's a little bit more advanced stuff that I'm talking about. These dojis and hammers and things of that nature. It's early warning signs, early warning signs, and that's some of the magic. This one here, this is a New Zealand U.S. dollar, and I've got a stop loss in here protecting profit, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and close this one out. If you've noticed, look at these different currencies. They all move the same way. Okay. Sometimes I'll spread the love, so to speak. Um, it's not really diversifying. Okay, I could have put all of the money that I risk into that one Great British Pound Australian dollar. Now the timing on them may be a little different. So you might, I mean, that's just all people's own personal preferences and such, okay? But if you look back in the past, these things make significant retracements, okay? But there's an overall uptrend, right? If you could stomach it, you could go up through this whole, go through these little retracements and then go through the big retracement, okay? But do you think, look at what I'm dealing with here. I'm dealing with such a little bitty thing. These are all just little retracements here. Um, if we go back over here, look at, I'm looking at, 40 pips profit right now. And I probably had around 120 pips profit. Okay? Do you think I could stomach going all the way down to, like, say, the dark blue lines or that dark red moving average line down there? Well, that would be at a loss, right? Why even do it? Why not close the trade, get out of it, watch, okay, notice it, and then we wait, okay, we have profit, and then buy it whenever it retraces back down and starts heading up. So I closed my trade there and kept some more profit. And so we're gonna wait and watch it retrace and wait for it to go down. We're gonna wait for it to, let's just say, bounce off of something, okay, the bottom of a wave. When we start seeing it move up again, okay, that's when we get in, okay. But we do that with specific things. There's going to be signals that show us that that's not always true. We need to not get in if certain laws and such are broken. This video is not for teaching you that point yet. This is just to illustrate how I use stop losses to protect myself and to lock in profits, and I don't go against that. I can end the trade sooner, okay, to keep profit, but I do not move my stop losses in order to, oh, it's just gonna go down a little bit farther, so I'm gonna move my stop loss. No, it's not that way. We've identified a support resistance zone. If it breaks that support resistance zone, it goes down to the next support resistance zone. And that support resistance zone could be below your entry price. So there you go. There you got it. Okay. If you look at this, I was on vacation. I entered in late on all these trades. I placed them all about the same time. So anyways, enough with that. I'm trying to keep these videos limited to a certain time frame, so you're not you don't have to invest a whole lot of time here, and you can grow and stick with us. And I don't want to annoy too many people by rambling on. So anyways, I hope you have a good rest of the week. I hope I can get this video up here in the next couple hours after I render it, and show you some more profit stuff, and that this is not playing around, okay, and we are going to make some money. All right, have a good day.